In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Ads location effectively with an updated step-by-step guide. Let's dive right in and make sure this process is smooth, quick, and easy to follow. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to ads.google.com. This will take you directly to the Google Ads homepage. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on the Sign In button. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. After signing in, you'll arrive at your Google Ads dashboard, the central hub for managing all your campaigns, settings, and performance reports. From here, focus on the campaign section on the left-hand menu. Click on it to view all your existing and previous campaigns. Take a moment to scroll through and select the campaign where you want to update the location settings. Choosing the correct campaign is important because each one may target a different audience or serve a different purpose. Making changes to the wrong campaign could affect the performance of ads you didn't intend to modify. Once you've selected your campaign, it's time to adjust the location settings. Go into your campaign settings area. You might see an option labeled Languages and Locations or Settings depending on your interface. Click to open it. Inside this section, you'll find the location options. Here, you can define exactly where you want your ads to appear. You can target broad areas like entire countries, or narrow it down to specific cities, regions, or even a custom radius around a chosen point. If you want to reach people in a particular area, simply type the name of that city or region into the search bar. You'll see a list of matching locations appear. Select the one that best fits your audience. To refine your targeting even further, Google Ads also allows location exclusions. For example, if you're advertising in the United States but want to exclude a few states or cities where your service isn't available, you can do that here too. Remember, accurate location targeting helps your ads reach the right audience while maximizing your budget efficiency. Targeting too broadly may waste impressions on people outside your service area, while targeting too narrowly could limit your reach. Once you've made all your adjustments, click Save to apply your changes. This ensures your updates take effect immediately and are reflected in future ad delivery. It's also a good idea to review your campaign locations periodically, especially if your business expands to new markets or shifts focus. Keeping your targeting up to date helps maintain the best performance possible. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Google Ads location. With these simple steps, you can keep your campaigns accurately focused on the right audience and ensure every click counts. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like to see covered next. Until next time, keep optimizing and happy advertising.